Hi, my name is Namo. I worked in a group with Jump and Ryan, but this digital part is me. So, um, for science, we're doing about solar systems, and we asked a few questions like, what are light years? What is the solar system? And what keeps us from crashing into the sun? So, for this one, we can't paint it because it gets really, really slow. But the smallest one, that one is Mercury. It has a rocky surface. It's part of the terrestrial planets.
So next is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Its atmosphere is around 450 degrees Celsius. And it is also a little sister of Earth. So the size of Venus and Earth is kind of like the same. Okay, so talking about Earth, Earth is where humans are. It contains liquid and land if we go up from space.
Okay, and Mars, it has the name the red planet because it's red. Here,
And
this is Mars.
And it has red irons.
Yeah, it's believed to had been like Earth before. And it has the tallest mountain called Mount Olympus.
In the solar system. So, the next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system.
It has a big red spot, which is an ongoing and permanent hurricane, like a storm, bigger than Earth.
Next is Saturn. Saturn has the biggest ring surrounding it, made by
asteroids and ice.
Yep. And also rocky objects that is surrounding it. And next is Uranus.
It's the most gassy planet in the whole solar system.
It's light blue mixed with green.
Yep.
The color.
Next is Neptune, which is this one. It's always blue, and if you notice, most of these planets are named after Greek gods.
This Neptune is named after the god of the sea, Poseidon.
Yep. And Neptune is in Roman. And the last one is Pluto. It used to be a planet in our solar system, but it became just a normal dwarf planet a few years ago because scientists believe it was a rocky and terrestrial planet, but it's in the part of the gas giants. So like Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, they're all gas giants, but the other side, which is Earth, Mars, Venus, Mercury, are all terrestrial planets. And Pluto is a terrestrial planet, so scientists believe it got knocked into the gaseous places.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars is also the inner planet. It is pretty near the sun. And then the asteroid, not located in
this model,
but it is the middle range, and it
separates the outer and inner planets. The answers to our questions are for what are light years. It's a unit of astronomical distance that is equal to the distance that light travels in 1 year. So like 6 trillion miles per 1 light year. What is the solar system? The solar system is basically made up of the planets that orbit our sun. So if there's a sun, there's planets orbiting it around it, it's a solar system. The last question is, what keeps us from crashing into the sun? So obviously, if we're going around, why don't we crash into the sun and burn? It's because gravity pulls the Earth into the sun, but centrifugal force holds it out. So then it's kind of like magnets holding something in midair, and then it doesn't go anywhere.
Just an additional information, many 100 years ago, people thought that Earth was the center of the solar system, but then Galileo found out that the sun was actually a star that is in the center of the solar system. So it connects back to the gravitational force again.
So that's about it for our science model.
Thank you very much.